Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another Tech Talk Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everybody. I believe we are on episode 9 this week. I'm back at Pedestal Solutions Manufacturing Facility, and I'm here today to talk to you about our SLM60, this guy right here. It is one of 2 units that we have designed where it has no standard internal layout. It is an entirely customizable unit, and whenever we do use it, it's generally there when we're working with clients and they have needs for multiple services and multiple functions inside, and they want it all inside one enclosure. Oftentimes that's where we bring up the SLM60. So let's learn a little bit about it. No surprise there, the SLM60 sits at 60 inches tall. It is 20 inches deep, but it's 22 inches wide. And those extra 4 inches allow enough space for us to put a 600 volt panel in here should one be required. Let's take a look at a couple design solutions we've come up with in the last couple of months. So if you take a look here, you can see a cross section of the SLM60. On one side you have your meter. You could also add a disconnecting mean should you want. There's that center partition, and now here, if you take a look here, you can see on the other side you've got a 200 amp 20 circuit distribution panel and 4 receptacles there, 2 15 amp GFIs and 2 20 amp GFIs. Also there's a mouse door at the bottom there which allows our client to be able to plug into those receptacles, lock up the unit, and know that no one's going to come and tamper with them while they're using it for their temporary power use. Okay, let's look at the next picture here. All right, you can see it's actually being used as a car charger. It can charge 2 cars at a level 2 charging rate. Now I know it's a big guy to be a car charger compared to the car chargers you see out there. However, the reason for that is this guy can actually take power direct from transformer or pole and convert it into being able to charge cars. That would be helpful in really rural or remote settings. If you had a carpool lot, as an example, that only had street lights on it and you wanted to be able to control and power those street lights as well as offer a car charging solution for somebody, that'd be a great use here for the SLM60. Okay, and our last one, here we are. You take a look there, you can see this is actually a really interesting design for a municipality we did. They had bought some really interesting streetlight standards that had LED strip lighting down the back sides of them. And they wanted to be able to change the colors and change the brightness of those LED strip lighting. So working with the municipality, we designed this pedestal, and we actually put, if you see at the bottom there, a 2-stage heater system. The reason for that is LED lighting controls, the drivers for them, they don't operate correctly or function correctly below 6 degrees centigrade. So that 2-stage heating is going to keep that one side of this partition up above 6 degrees year round. And then at the top there's actually an LCD screen display where they can go in and change the controls. So let's talk about some interesting uses of that. Breast Cancer Awareness Week, you could have all of those light standards pink. Christmas time, red, green, red, green, red, green. The beauty of LED strip lighting and LED lighting in general is you can change colors and change brightness as you should see fit. So that's everything I had to talk about today with this SLM60. As always, guys, thanks for joining me for another Tech Talk Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday, and I look forward to hearing from you. Cheers.